These are hood mount kit for a light bar, 30-inch light bar, made by Motobilt. This is the only adapter plate I found that'll do a 30-inch. So, made in America, it's pretty good quality. We'll see how it works. You'll need a T47 Torx to remove these two bolts. You want to take an X-Acto knife and cut around the paint on these bolts before you take them off, because otherwise it might chip all around it. You'll need a breaker bar. It'll take a breaker bar to break these loose. You use this spacer that goes in this little slot here, and then this goes here. It comes with 2 stainless steel screws. It does not come with stainless steel washers, so I went and got some stainless steel washers to put on there because see, it's kind of adjustable. I would put thread locker on these bolts. Keep them from vibrating loose. And that's it installed.